Hi there, I'm Martin Tyler, and this is the Bernabeu Stadium. It is a brilliant, brilliant fixture. It's always been that way. Other factors as well as football involved in the rivalry here, Barcelona and Real Madrid.
Well, what an atmosphere inside this stadium, and what a match we should have. Star-studded lineups here in front of us.
This is the Real Madrid lineup. Keylor Navas in goal. Sergio Ramos plays with Pepe in central defence. Toni Kroos starts with Luka Modric in the centre of the park. Karim Benzema is the lone striker today. Barcelona's lineup here. Marc-Andre ter Stegen starts in goal. Gerard Piqué starts with Javier Mascherano as the centre-backs. Iniesta plays with Sergio Busquets in central midfield. Luis Suarez is the lone striker today. This is an exercise in patience as they try to get an opening. Modric. Benzema. Here's a chance to attack. Tackle here. Well, they passed their way up into a good position here, and then just lost the concentration, lost the ball as well. They're going to work hard to try and get it back. It goes out wide again. Messi! Barcelona winning a corner. Heads it towards goal. Oh, well done the goalkeeper, and he's hung on to the ball. Defenders worried.
The break is definitely on.
Cristiano Ronaldo.
Oh, well saved.
And that is a corner for Real Madrid. Tries to punch it away. Tries the through pass. Shot on! He's blocked the shot well. Coming up now, a corner. The ball's just deflected behind for that. He's got his fist to it. And the attacking now coming from Barcelona. Well, plenty of appeals, but it is a corner by that tackle. Jordi Alba. Well, they're in a good position here. Trying to find an opening. Not panicking. Free kick against Real Madrid. That's going to be a yellow card for this player.
We can't have any complaints.
Iniesta. He went in well. Really good attacking play. Ramos is the man. Cross coming in from Cristiano Ronaldo. Well, they're good at corners. Let's see what this one brings. I think any football fan will say when the rain comes down like it's coming down now, it's going to add to the thrills and a few spills possibly.
Well, it normally does, doesn't it? And I always used to like it because...
Shots on here. They blocked it then, and they've cut it out. Barcelona striving to get into their stride here. Really trying to use the full width of the pitch here to make some progress. Well, that looked promising, but he's been stopped. Modric. They've got the ball back, Barcelona. Iniesta. Ivan Rakitic. Played back. They've got a great understanding, this team. Just look at the passing. Gets his foot in there. And now Iniesta. Barcelona get the advantage. Sergio Busquets. Barcelona on the attack. Terrific tackle. Gareth Bale. Bale. Carvajal. Toni Kroos. Crosses in. Well, the ball deserved perhaps a better response from his teammates in the middle. The defender got there first, though. Good defending. Gareth Bale. Bale. Real Madrid looking good with this attack. Modric. It's a cross from Gareth Bale. Keeper comes and claims it, and no great risk. And there Here in the Bernabeu, we're underway in the second half. A break maybe from Barcelona. Defender to it first. Throw in for Barcelona. Piqué. Lionel Messi. Iniesta. And they've got their new man ready, Barcelona, to make the change. Keeps it going well. A lot of defenders between them and the goal, but they still got the ball. Cross coming in from Cristiano Ronaldo. Good clearance. Kroos. Well, this attack has got a bit of menace to it. That's offside, Cristiano Ronaldo.
Just failed to look across the line.
Sergio Roberto. Sergio Ramos wants to get that ball. Here comes the cross. Well, the ball deserved perhaps. And now the shot! Well, you can't fault them for that lack of effort. It's still level. Sergio Busquets. Sergio Roberto. Turan. Now it goes into the wider areas where they've got a winger waiting. Well, the ball's been deflected out, so it'll be a throw-in. Substitute ready to come on for Barcelona. Short passes, but they're keeping the ball. Jordi Alba. Toni Kroos. Marcelo. On to Ronaldo. Karim Benzema. Still 20 minutes to go. Trying to reach Benzema. And here come Real Madrid. Made the challenge well. Well, they passed their way up into a good position here, and then just lost the concentration, lost the ball as well. Well, they've got to work hard to try and get it back. Saw the pass coming and got there first. Well, this could be a really sharp counter-attack. Karim Benzema. Moving forward with some danger to the opposition now they're here. They've got the ball back, Barcelona. Sergi Roberto. Lionel Messi. There's some potential in this move. And the cross is in. Neymar! Don't you just love football? Late drama, and now they have the lead.
Oh, no better time. I don't think there's any way back now for the opposition. That looks like the winner.
Had to wait a while to get the first goal of the game. He sensed it was coming. It's finally arrived. Looking down at that bench, Barcelona want to make a change now. Great passing, and the crowd really enjoying it. Arda Turan! Well, in a game where it will go down to the wire, that could have really been a turning point, but he's missed the chance.
He's getting some stick as well off his own fans, and you can understand why.
They have individual inspiration, Real Madrid. I think they're going to need that as much as teamwork now to get a goal, to get them something from this game.
Well, we're nearly at white hanky time when those fans show their displeasure. But still chance for the Real Madrid players to turn things around.
1-2, and having a little game of their own here. Bale! Well, the pressure of getting his team level maybe got to him because he's made a hash of it.
I just wonder whether at the end of this match they'll look back on that chance as the one that cost them dearly.
Well, the clock is ticking on, 2 minutes of play left. The referee has chosen to add on 2 extra minutes. Sergio Busquets. The break maybe from Barcelona. Sergi Roberto. Wonderful chance! And that's a fantastic goal. It's the substitute who's struck here, and he's done it really to help his team so soon after coming into the game. And that's the win for Barcelona. Well, a few final thoughts as the flight.